Hello, welcome to our DSA final group project. So for our group project, we chose to make a program that basically does bin sorting with random generated numbers to represent real life situations where bin sorting can be applicable. And we chose to compare two types of bin sortings. So first, you can click the start button and basically, you have to input um, the number of items that you have in total. So we put restrictions on here where, for example, uh, we have a minimum and a maximum amount of data that you can input. So since we want to use use this program for large amounts of data, we decided to do at least 100,000 points of 100,000 items at least, but we also didn't want too big, so we set the cap at 500,000. And then, so for weight, we can't have negative weights. So when you try to do that, we will have an error message that pops up. So you would have to fix this. And another restriction that we have is you can't have the bin capacity be smaller than the max weight because this could cause errors. So when you try to enter that, there will be another error message that pops up. So now let me try and do something that works like this, and you click enter, and then you will get the results. So as I mentioned before, we are using this program to test the first fit bin sorting method and the next fit bin sorting method. And once you click results, this screen will pop up and you will see the average time it, so our program will run um, the data that you entered 5 times. Um, the results will always be slightly different because the random number generated data will be like slightly different each run. But we take the average time that it takes to run the whole program and we put it here for both. So you can compare um, the two and you see that the time ratio is 2.4776 for first fit to next fit. And then average bins, you can also see which um, packaging method takes less bins. So in a real life scenario, this may be really important to save costs, to do less detrimental impact on the environment, and uh, more, etc. So then we also have these buttons to show you each specific run. Um, and each one, these 1 through 5 correspond to first fit, while these 1 through 5 correspond to next fit. And then we also have a restart button here where you can click it, go start, and you can input new data points. And just you can run the program again if you would like. You click enter, and then we will get new data. And then again, all of our individual results can be seen. All right, when you're done looking at all of the different data points that you need, you can click restart and then you can click quit. All right, thank you so much. That's the end of our demonstration.